When comparing similar shapes, it's easy to tell which are the same angles on these shapes if the shapes are in the same orientation. However, if we reflect this shape across a vertical axis, we still have a similar shape, but now everything is flipped from left to right. So our furthest left angle on our bigger shape is equal to our furthest right angle on the smaller shape. Our furthest right angle on the larger shape is equal to our furthest left angle on the smaller shape. Since everything is reflected from left to right, if you know the right side of the larger triangle, you need to compare it to the left side of the smaller triangle. A sure way to compare the correct sides to one another is that the proportional sides are always opposite to the same equivalent angle. Comparing these sides tell us that the small triangle is 4/5 the scale of the bigger triangle. So to find the right side of our smaller triangle, we need to multiply the left side of our larger triangle by 4/5. This gives us a length of 16/5, or 3.2. Let's now look at two similar shapes where one shape has been rotated 180 degrees. In this case, the left and the right sides are switched, as well as the top and the bottom. So the farthest left angle on our big triangle is equal to the farthest right angle on our smaller triangle, and our farthest right angle on our big triangle is equal to the farthest left angle on our smaller triangle. Also, the top angle on our big triangle is equal to the bottom angle on our smaller triangle. So when we compare our sides, we need to take these reverses into account. So we have to compare the bottom side of our big triangle to the top side of our smaller triangle. This tells us that our big triangle is 13/11 times bigger than our smaller triangle. Now, if we want to know the length of the left side of our big triangle, then we need to multiply the right side of our smaller triangle by 13/11. If we want to know the right side of our big triangle, we need to multiply the left side of the smaller triangle by 13/11.